Bulk flag printed material rolls. We got U.S. flags. We got first responders. Different patterns, U.S. flags. Smaller flags to cut. 3x5 American flags. Approximately 150 to 250 yards per roll, depending upon the manufacturer. "3-foot by 5-foot U.S. flags rolls. 4-inch by 6-inch roll. 90% of all these materials are made in the USA. Made and printed in the USA. There's some miscellaneous flags, partial rolls. Everything's listed by pieces. That's flags per roll that remain on the inventory, or by yards remaining. We do have some blank patterns with no stars. Got a lot of U.S. Marine. We've got Puerto Rican flags, French, Alaska, Denmark, Canada, Germany, Spain. We've got some nice rolls of U.S. Marine Corps Semper Fi. We have a second pallet of Semper Fi, slightly different size pattern. We've got short rolls. We have one pallet of POW MIA flags. Mixed country flags. More flags, no stars. We have some poly cotton material rolls. They're good for sewing on the end of the flag. Some of the flags are pocket flags that'll say sewing to manifest. Some aren't. We have some U.S. flag pattern, confetti pattern. Please see the description. Contact Brian 1-888-884-2447 for further details, pricing, and shipping.